Is the Asus Zenbook A14 the best ultra-portable laptop of 2025? With a 14 inches old display, Snapdragon X power, and 32-hour battery life, let's find out. The Asus Zenbook A14 UX3407 is an ultra-lightweight laptop weighing just under 1 kilogram, designed for professionals who need portability and performance. It features a 14-inch Full HD OLED display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, a 16:10 aspect ratio, 600 nits HDR brightness, and display her True Black 600 support for deep contrast and vivid visuals. Powered by the Snapdragon X series processor. It includes an integrated NPU with up to 45 TOPS, enhancing AI-driven tasks such as productivity, text and image generation, and media editing. The laptop offers up to 32 hours of battery life, ensuring extended use without frequent charging. It comes with Wi-Fi 7 for fast connectivity and a variety of ports, including two USB 4.0 Type-C ports, one USB 3.0 to Gen 2 port, a full-size HDMI to 0.1 port, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. Built with Ceraluminum, the chassis is durable, smudge-resistant, and meets MI LSTD 810H military durability standards. The base model with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD is priced at $899.99 and will be available in March 2025. While a higher-end version with 32GB RAM and 1TB SSD is priced at $1,099.99. What do you think, worth it or not? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. Share this with someone looking for a new laptop.